Hey guys, it's Rich from the State College office. Just want to take a time and talk to you about an issue we've had ongoing here at the State College office with our submersible pumps and our trash pumps. I'd like to talk to you about our trash pumps and our submersible pumps. Anybody that's worked with these submersible pumps know these little plastic tubes for the drains are terrible to work with. We also have our trash pumps here with our discharge and our intake hoses. We have two different types of trash pumps with different types of hoses. We made some adjustments to our submersible pumps. We have now fitted the submersible pump with quick connect discharge hoses. We've also increased the size of the discharge hose from 1 inch to 1.5 inches, which allows more volume to be extracted. We've also added some improvements to our trash pumps as well. As you can see, the intake, the green hose, and the discharge hose, the blue, both have the quick disconnect. This takes from setup time from 10 to 15 minutes to less than 3 minutes. Finally, we've made kits for our submersible pumps and for our trash pumps. In the submersible pump kit, we have the submersible plus the discharge hose with the quick connect. All of our submersibles have the same size quick connect, so all the hoses are interchangeable. In our trash pump kit, we have our discharge hose, a roll of duct tape, a can of starting fluid for those really cold days, a gas can fully fueled, our trash pump fully fueled, and our intake hose. Although these kits might be a little heavy, but everything's ready to go. There's nothing worse than in the middle of a surge trying to find all the parts and pieces that you need.